Class 7th student, chapter number 4 of computer, part 3. Next topic, sorting data. Sorting is the process of arranging data in either ascending or descending order in a worksheet. What is sorting? It is a process of arranging the data in ascending or descending order. It is possible to sort the data in a row on the basis of number, text, combination and dates. It is possible to sort the data in the rows on the basis of your numbers, text, combination and dates. It makes it easy to work with the data once it is organized, because it becomes quite easy for us to work with the data when it is organized. The following step describe how can you sort the data. Open any worksheet and select the data you wish to sort. Open any worksheet. Click on any cell, say C3. Now you have selected any cell. Let us be say C3. Like this option will come in front of you. Click on the sort button in the sort and filter group in the data tab. This option will be there and select this sort button. Now the entire data will be selected and sort dialog box will appear. When you will do this, this sort of screen will come in front of you, which consists of the sort dialog box. In the sort up by drop down list, select the field column on the basis of which you want to sort the data. Now the different fields will come. Now you select the field according to which you want to sort the data. Let us select the name list, for example. Suppose we have selected the name list. In sort on drop down list, select the values option. In the drop down order drop down list, select either A to Z or Z to A. Now according to which you want to just sort the data, you want in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means alphabetic A to Z, descending order means alphabetic Z to A. So you can select according to that. In the case the data has a header in the first row, check on my data has a header checkbox. If your data contain a header in the first row, you have to select check on my data has a header checkbox. Click on OK, and when you will click OK, the database will be organized, sorted as per the name column. As per the name column, your database will be sorted. It means all the student person with name alphabetic according A, B, C, it will be appearing in the database in the same sequence. It is also possible to sort the data by more than one column. It is a possibility is also there. We can sort the data according to more than one column. How? Click on add label button in the sort dialog box. Just click on the add label button in the sort dialog box. A new level will be added below the first level. What will happen? Like this. A new level will be open for the first level. Mention the column name according to which you wish to sort that in the drop down list. Now mention the column name according to which you want to sort, then by the drop down list choose the order and click OK. Just select and click OK. So now your data will be sorted as per the two fields. Okay. Next is filtering the data. Microsoft Excel has several features which provide various ways to work on the data in a list. MS Excel provide various ways which provide various ways to work on the data in a list. The filter feature allows the user to see only those records which are necessary to be displayed and hide the rest of the data temporarily from the view. Now filter view is like this. It will present only that data which is necessary and hide the remaining data in the view. A list can be filtered to display record which satisfy the given criteria by using the auto filter command. Now list can be filtered and it will be done using the auto filter command. And what are the steps to follow? We select the cell in the database range, let us say A4. Now select the range in the database range, say you have selected A4. Click on filter button and under the sort and filter group in the data tab, you have to select the filter option which is present in the sort and filter group in the data tab. Sort and filter. Each field name will now display small arrow in the front. These arrows are used to specify the condition for filtering the data. Each time, now each field name will hold a small arrow in the front. These arrows are used to specify the condition for filtering the data. Click on the arrow next to the city field name. Just click on the arrow which is there next to the city field name. Select the checkbox of the value Agra and Delhi. Now suppose in this way, you can select only Agra and Delhi. Click OK. The filter list will display only those records that met the criteria of city Agra and Delhi. When you will do this, this list will be displayed in front of you, which is just filter on the basis of city Agra and Delhi. Only those records will be visible in front of your screen which contain the city either Delhi or Agra.